The tread of a tire or track refers to the rubber on its circumference that makes contact with the road or the ground. As tires are used, the tread is worn off, limiting its effectiveness in providing traction. A worn tire can often be retreaded. The grooves in the tire are correctly called the tread pattern, or simply the pattern, but the word tread is often used casually to refer to the pattern of grooves molded into the rubber. The grooves are not the tread, as they do not make contact with the ground. This distinction becomes significant in the case of racing slicks, which certainly have a tread but do not have grooves, and so they neither have a pattern. Tires. Street tires equals, the grooves in the rubber are designed to allow water to be expelled from beneath the tire and prevent hydroplaning. The proportion of rubber to airspace on the road surface directly affects its traction. Design of tire tread has an effect upon noise generated, especially at freeway speeds. Generally there is a trade-off of tread friction capability. Deeper patterns often enhance safety, but simpler designs are less costly to produce and actually may afford some roadway noise mitigation. Tires intended for dry weather use will be designed with minimal pattern to increase the contact patch. Tires with a smooth tread are known as slicks and are generally used for racing only, since they are quite dangerous if the road surface is wet. Street tires will also include wear limit indicators in the form of small raised bridges within the grooves. When the tread is worn down enough that the limit indicators make contact with the road, the tire is deemed to be at the end of his service life. Brake pads use similar indicators in the form of notches on their surface that disappear when they are used. Off-road tires equals. Off-road tires used in mud or dirt feature individual knob patterns to allow the tire to bite into the surface and lever the sides of the tread to get a better grip. Given the smaller contact patch, these tires tend to wear quickly when used on asphalt. Mountain bike and motorcycle tires equals. Mountain bike and some motorcycle tires feature treads similar to off-road tires used on cars and trucks but may sometimes include an unbroken tread that runs along its center. This feature provides better traction and lower noise on asphalt at high tire pressure, but retains the ability to provide grip on a soft or loose surface. Lower tire pressure or soft ground will cause the side lugs to come into contact with the surface. Road street bike tires have smaller grooves in the tread allowing water to escape from beneath the tire. Continuous tracks. Continuous tracks such as those used on military tanks or construction machines have metal track segments which may be rubber-coated. They usually do not feature tread patterns, because these would offer little additional grip given the weight of the tracked vehicle. Traction is usually provided by grouses instead. See also, anti-lock braking system, forensic tire tread evidence, snow chains, traction vector, traction control system, tread wear rating. References